When it comes to high-performance blenders, this Vitamix Explorian Blender stands out as a professional-grade appliance that offers unmatched versatility and power. With its 64-ounce low-profile container, variable speed control, and self-cleaning feature, this blender is designed to meet a wide range of culinary needs. Whether you're a health enthusiast looking to make smoothies or a home chef preparing soups and sauces, the Vitamix Explorian Blender promises to deliver quality results with every use. Here's a comprehensive review of this exceptional blender. The Vitamix Explorian Blender is equipped with a powerful 2.2 HP motor that drives its hardened stainless steel blades. This robust motor is capable of blending the toughest ingredient, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Whether you're tackling dense vegetables for a soup or crushing ice for a smoothie, this blender's high-performance motor can handle it all. The aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are engineered for durability and precision. These blades are designed to maintain their sharpness over time, delivering high-quality blends from the first use to the last. The blender's performance is particularly evident in its ability to create creamy smoothies, silky soups, and perfectly blended sauces. One of the standout features of the Vitamix Explorian Blender is its 10 variable speed. This level of control allows you to refine every texture with culinary precision. From the smoothest purees to hearty soups, you can adjust the speed to achieve the desired consistency. The versatility provided by these variable speeds makes it easy to experiment with a variety of recipes and textures. Additionally, the pulse feature is a valuable tool for adding texture to your blends. This feature allows you to layer coarse chops over smooth purees, making it ideal for recipes that require a bit of texture, such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The ability to control texture with such precision is a testament to the Vitamix Explorian Blender's versatility. The Vitamix Explorian Blender is designed with user convenience in mind. The 64-ounce low-profile container is perfect for blending medium to large batches, making it an excellent choice for family meals or entertaining guests. Its low-profile design allows it to fit comfortably under most kitchen cabinets, so you don't have to worry about clearance issues. Cleaning the blender is a breeze thanks to its self-cleaning feature. With just a drop of dish soap and warm water, the Vitamix Explorian Blender can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. This eliminates the need for disassembly and makes post-blend cleanup quick and hassle-free. Additionally, container and lid are dishwasher safe, further simplifying the cleaning process. The Vitamix Explorian Blender is built to last, with a 17-point inspection process ensuring that each machine meets high-quality standards. This thorough inspection process, combined with the blender's durable construction, means you can expect reliable performance for years to come. The hardened stainless steel blades and BPA-free Eastman Tritan container are designed to withstand regular use and maintain their quality over time. Included with the blender is a low-profile tamper, which helps push ingredients towards the blades for consistent blending. Also included is a cookbook to inspire you with a variety of recipes, making it easier to get started with your new blender. Conclusion: the Vitamix Explorian Blender offers a powerful and versatile blending experience in a well-designed, user-friendly package. Its 2.2 HP motor and stainless steel blades ensure high-quality performance, while the 10 variable speeds and pulse feature provide precise control over texture. The low-profile 64-ounce container is perfect for both small and large batches, and the self-cleaning feature adds a layer of convenience to its use. If you're looking for a professional-grade blender that delivers exceptional performance and versatility, the Vitamix Explorian Blender is an excellent choice. Its combination of power, precision, and ease of use makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Order your Vitamix Explorian Blender today and discover how easy it is to create delicious and nutritious recipes at home. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.